In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to earn money online the smart way with reoccurring commissions. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to do, so stick around. This is for people who are tired of chasing random side hustles that never last, jumping from offer to offer. Here's why most people stay stuck trying to earn online. They jump around from idea to idea every few weeks. They chase quick payouts. This is the dumb way to make money online. You trade tiny, one time payouts for your time and treat every month like a fresh start. And you start over every single month. You have to make new sales with new customers. The smart way is to leverage reoccurring commissions. So stop thinking like a short term hustler and start thinking long term. Imagine earning commissions 5 years from now from effort you put in right now. This is clearly the smart way to go about it. But you have to pick the right problem to solve. Health, wealth, and money niches will never be saturated because people will always have problems in this area. People are broke. They need money. You need one strong core offer rather than 10 random offers. Promote my Project Profit school group as your main profit engine. You earn money by referring other people to the group. Here's how it works. You get your link once you sign up. You refer other people for 50% recurring commissions. It's as simple as that. Simple money flow. You offer a solution to people's problems. You teach them how to make money online, and you leverage a proven system that is proven to sell. Picture a base of recurring income under your feet, anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 a month, recurring that you know is going to be there month after month. New members sign up and you continue to earn recurring commissions. Money changes how you feel. You don't have to panic about your next bill. You could one day start a family and help others start doing it the right way. Like this video, share with somebody else so if they want to make money online. Save it so you don't lose it. Watch this video 100 times over. And if you're ready to start making money online the smart way, go to the description below and click the link to the school group and sign up.